doing our demonstration here of our two-step cleaning process. Right now, once again, we're showing that any of our staff, this is our chemist, is going to be able to come out here and fleet wash successfully. It's all about the right cleaning solution, the correct wash equipment, and the proper water supply being soft water. Right now he's applying our one-step low pH truck wash. Because it is a low pH acidic blend, it's actually easily removing all the road film and dirt off the back of the truck. That's normally the worst part of a tractor trailer. That's where all the air and wind takes everything back onto the vehicle. Alright, now we're going to switch to number 2 solution, which is a high pH truck soap. And we actually have multiple blends available for every application. So when you contact us, we'll guide you into the correct solution for your vehicle. If you're a type of company that have your drivers come out and clean their own trucks, this could do it in a fraction of the time. They don't have to get there with a truck brush and scrub, and your vehicles are going to look a million times better. Don't forget, this is advertising for your company. Clean truck is critical, especially in the food industry or any other industry, period. It's just free advertising once everything's on the truck. And you're talking about 80,000 vehicles per day going down a specific highway or road. It's a lot of advertising opportunities missed by having a filthy vehicle. The way this vehicle came in today versus how it's going to leave, it's just 100% world of difference between the two. And anybody could see the value. I'm moving out of the way here. Sorry about that. Ask anybody that's washed a tractor trailer just how bad it is to get the back door that clean, how hard. And then take a look at our process. It only took a couple minutes here with a unseasoned vehicle washer, basically our chemist coming out here. Now that is a world of difference. For more information, contact us at 1-800-666-1992. That's 1-800-666-1992. To the Dan with Hydro-Chem Systems. We provide all the equipment, chemicals, automated systems that you need to handle any size fleet. You can go to our website at www.hcsclean.com. Still is under upgrade, so the website's not the best, but it'll help you out. And also you can email us at sales@hcsclean.com. That is insane how good that is. Let me walk you around to the back real quick and show you that this is the same vehicle that we've been washing. That is a world of difference right there. Wow, look at the logo. You want to go do the trailer? Dude, yeah, go do the tractor. You go do the tractor now, dude. Okay. Wow, what a world of difference. It's a nice logo. Couldn't even tell how good it was before you did that.